Good morning, children. How are you all? See, yesterday we have done the noun phrases. Okay, so today we are going to do the next one, and that is verb phrases. Okay, so what is verb? You all know that doing words are called verbs. Okay, or the action words are called verbs. So the action words, along with the action words, we have done when we were doing the tenses, is it not? At that time we were doing how the changes have been done along with the tenses when we use the sentences in the other tenses also. Suppose he is a boy, I am a girl, in this way. So we were using different kind of verbs. These are also verbs only, they are also action words only, but actually they are called auxiliary verbs. These ones are called auxiliary verbs. So these are actually functional verbs, or they add up grammatical or functional meaning to the clause or the sentence. Okay, so they are called auxiliary verbs. So what are the auxiliary verbs? First of all, we shall see. There are so many kinds of auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs is, am, are. We have done this before also when we were doing tenses, is it not? Then comes has, have, was, were, is it not? Then comes can, could, may, might, then do, does, then dare, ought. Okay, these are all auxiliary verbs. Okay, so along with the main verb, these auxiliary verbs are added and then they become the verb phrases. Okay, simple sentences as we were doing before. See, one example I'll give you. The teacher is writing on the board. Okay, so is writing is verb phrase. Okay, along with the main verb there is another helping verb. Okay, and these two words make a verb phrase. We have done this before also. They are all simple sentences only. Then another sentence we shall see. She has been working since 4 a.m. if I say this. Okay, so she has been working since 4 a.m. So which are the verbs, or which are the verbs here? Working is the main verb, and which are the helping verbs? Has and been. These two are auxiliary verbs. Okay, so all together has been working work as a verb phrase. Is that clear, children? So we have done this before also. You must call your mom at once. So which are the helping verbs here, and which is the verb phrase here? You must call your mom. So must and call. Must is the auxiliary verb and call is the main verb. So together they become verb phrase. Okay, a few examples I shall give you. Or shall we do the next one, prepositional phrases also? Okay, so verb phrase is clear. We shall do the prepositional phrases. Next comes prepositional phrases. Okay, so here a preposition is added. We know about the prepositions: in, on, under, before, behind, in front of. These are the prepositions. Okay, so in the sentence these prepositions also are added. Suppose one example I'll give you. Students are advised to be on time. Okay, so on is a preposition, time also is a preposition only. Okay, so these two are prepositional phrase. Okay, in the same way, please turn towards the right. Suppose if I write, please turn towards the right. Okay, so which are the prepositions here? towards the right, towards the right. So this is the prepositional phrase. Okay, so I shall give you some more examples regarding this. Okay, please get the book above the cupboard, above the cupboard, above, below, these are also prepositions only. Okay, so this is a so one question we can ask to the sentence and you will get the answer. Suppose, please get the book above the cupboard. Okay, which book? Above the cupboard, the book which is above the cupboard. Okay, if you ask this question, which book, then you get the answer, and that answer only is the prepositional phrase. The students at the end of the line is misbehaving again. Okay, suppose one sentence I will show you here. The students in the front line are misbehaving, if I say. Okay, the students in the front line are misbehaving. Which students are misbehaving? The students in the front line. Okay, so this whole clause is actually what? It is prepositional phrase. Okay, so if you ask questions to the sentence, then you will get the answer. Okay. Okay children, only these three were there in your course, so we shall come give you the more exercises. I will give you exercises on the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you children.